Hello. Today we're going to create a file watcher service. This service allow us to monitor for file uploaded, updated, or deleted from a certain folder. So we're going to use the file watcher API. So let's start. So I'm going to create a boilerplate application using the start string IO. So the language Java, project is of type Maven, and the version you can choose any version that you like, and the group ID, call my company, and then artifact ID, or the name of the project's file watcher API. So we're just going to add one dependency, which is the web. Let's generate this boilerplate. Let's open it and then extract. Okay, then I just put it somewhere where it's easy for me to find the project. Okay, so then open the project. Okay, and then let's wait for the project dependency. Okay, so while waiting for this, let's create a folder. And for now, it's just on drive C. And let's name it data. Okay, so let's start. Since the watcher service is part of the Java API, we don't need to include any dependency. Okay, so I just create here a new folder called service, and then let's create the file, the class itself, file watcher service. Okay, so this class should be loaded on startup. So we're going to annotate this one as of type component. Okay, then we need to get the paths get. For now, we're going to hard code the location of the folder. Then register the kind that we are going to support. So this one needs the watcher parameter and then the kind itself. Create, delete, and modify. So let's just for now monitor the create. So what does it mean? So it will monitor the folder, which is data, for any file uploaded to that folder. Okay. Then we need to loop over the key while key equals to watch service that take uh, while it's not null. Okay, so it throws an exception which is interrupted. So just add it. Sorry, we could actually do something like this. Interrupted exception. Okay. So we're going to watch for any event. Then let's just log for now. If event kind, so this is event kind. Oh, then the file event context. Then from here, we need to reset it. Okay. So okay, so let's try. All right, our service is up. So let's try and monitor this console for any logs that it will display. So we have the folder that we're monitoring, which is the data folder, and I have a sample file here. So I just drag it to that folder and drop. Okay, so the console logs, the kind is create, and then the file is sample.txt. Oh, okay, sorry, sample.txt.txt. Okay, so our application is now working. So what we can do here is after we know that there is a file uploaded to that folder, we're going to read it. So let's create a new method here, which is read file content, which requires a path to the file. Then Java.io. Then for now, we're just going to use the scanner. So this one throws an exception. We need to handle that one. So while SC has a next line, then we're just going to display the content. Next line. Okay. So from here, check here. We need the path to the file. Say file path. I'm just going to use the string format %s, %s, which is the path to string. Then the let's get the OS separator. And the last one is the file itself, the event context in this case. Okay. Then we're going to pass it to our method, which is read content file. Okay. So this one throws an exception. Okay. Can change this one to I exception. Okay. So let's move this back first. Okay. And then run our application again. Okay, our service is running. So let's clear the console and then copy the file, paste. Okay, so the monitored file we were able to see based on this log, and then the content of the file we're able to read. So that's it. Happy coding.